Hello everyone, welcome to the Svanoe English Vocabulary School. It's Wednesday, December 25th, show number 600. Here are the two words we will learn today. The first one is an animal that lives in the forest, and the second one is only one letter. Can you guess? Please listen and write this in your notebook. The bear is brown. The bear is brown. Bear. Did you get it right? The bear is brown. Have you ever seen a bear before? Let me know in the comments. Now let's make a flashcard for bear and remember it forever. Please write bear up here in the top left corner, B-E-A-R. Down here in the bottom left corner, the category, A-N-I-M, 1. This means animal, level 1. Also, IV4. This means it's also a top level, irregular verb. And over here, the number is 2 out of 33. Now I'll show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. Here it is. Bear. Now let's learn word number 2 for today. It's very easy. It's only one letter. Please listen and write this in your notebook. There is a book on the table. There is a book on the table. Ah. Ah is similar to 1. And we use it for countable nouns. A book, a cup, a pencil. Now let's make a flashcard for ah. This is an easy one for you. Please write ah up here in the top left corner. We usually say ah. Sometimes we say a, but usually ah. Down here in the bottom left corner, the category, GW1. This means grammar words, level 1. And over here, the number is 1 out of 135. Now I'll show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. This is the most common sound in English. Can you say it? Very good. A book. What about you? Do you have a bicycle? Let me know in the comments. It is time to go. Class over. You did very well today. The first one we learned is bear. Very good. Is that a person or an animal? Correct. And the second one? Ah, very good. A pen means one pen. And if you are high level, here are the level 2 words for today. The first one is something you bake that's very delicious. The second one is an adjective that means not far away. And the last one means when someone is ahead of you, then you make the distance less. You Correct. See you on January 1st, everybody. See you January 1st. Bye-bye. And if you are new, welcome to our vocabulary school. We learn 2 words every day, and we write them on paper flashcards and remember them forever. This is a 2-year course. We learn 2 words every day. This is our last show for December. Then we will take a break. And we will have new classes beginning on January 1st. You can learn English here. You only need a notebook, a pen, and flashcards. That's it. No textbook, no download, no money. We have a rotating schedule, so you can join anytime. You study for 2 years, and then you graduate. When you make the card, please write your language on the other side of the card. What language do you speak at home? Oh, I know that language. Yeah, it's easy. You can meet a speaking partner with this hashtag and talk about the words that you learn. You can say, have you ever seen a bear before? Please remember these. We use them very much. My name is Vinny from Canada. Happy New Year, everybody. We'll see you on January 1st.